big thanks to John, who's again sent in this week's learning point. And what John does here can be applied to many different scenarios, but it's making it obvious to someone who is emerging you're letting them go. It's the black car on the left that John positively slows down for and makes it really obvious to this car they can come out. You definitely don't need a flash of the lights because the car in lane 2 may very well have come back into the left lane. Remember, a good signal should only ever have one meaning, and the flash of the lights could be confusing, yet the slow down was perfect. It said to the black car, "I'm not coming past you." Good drivers utilise their speed and position to show others what's happening.